Hi, how are you doing? This is Analysis by Doing. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. Welcome to Analysis by Doing, a series of data analysis sessions in which we do hands-on projects analyzing data using Amazon Web Services. The target audience is aspiring data analysts and AWS Cloud enthusiasts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? We will exercise our AWS skills on the terrain of data science. Join us in our data analytics journey in the vehicle of Amazon Web Services. Welcome to this session on survey data analysis. We will review our portfolio website before the survey data analysis project, create a new environment for survey data analysis in our Analysis EC2 instance, download a real-world survey dataset from Stack Overflow on which we will perform the following analyses and visualizations. Read in the dataset, data munging and wrangling, developer profile, which includes the following: key territories, professional experience, developer roles, education levels, demographics, and verify our numbers with Stack Overflow every step of the way. Then, update index.html to publish our survey data analysis project. We will upload the new survey data analysis project file to the S3 portfolio bucket. We will then review our updated portfolio website after the survey data analysis project. Next, we will stop but not terminate the Analysis EC2 instance. Finally, we will perform best practices, review our billing dashboard, and budget alarm. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Hit the bell icon below to actively follow along with the rest of our series. With the demographic analysis, we have completed the analysis and visualization of the survey data. Let's update index.html to reference our survey data analysis project page. After RDPing into our Analysis EC2 instance, click on the Visual Studio Code icon in the taskbar. Expand the Visual Studio Code window. Click on File, then on Open Folder. In the left pane of the Open Folder window, navigate to Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. Click Select Folder. In Visual Studio Code, in the left pane, click on index.html. Select the Project 2 NumPy Overview line. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Scroll down to the H6 tagline below our last project and press Ctrl+V to paste it. In the new line, update the href tag to Project 6 Survey Data Analysis.html. Update the text to Survey Data Analysis. Press Ctrl+S to save the index.html file. Click on the Go Live icon at the bottom right of Visual Studio Code. In the portfolio page, click on the Survey Data Analysis project to see the page. Review your Survey Data Analysis project page. Close the browser window. In Visual Studio Code, click on File drop-down. Select Close Folder. Again, click on File drop-down and select Exit at the very bottom. We have updated index.html to publish our survey data analysis project. Let's upload the portfolio website files to our Portfolio S3 bucket. After RDPing into the Analysis EC2 instance, open Chrome browser. Navigate to AWS.com. Click on Sign in to the console on the top right. In the Sign in as IAM user page, enter your account ID. Enter your admin username, Analyst1. Enter the password and click on Sign in. In the AWS console, in the search bar, key in S3 and enter to land on the S3 console. Close notifications if any. Click on the ABD Portfolio 1 bucket. In the ABD Portfolio 1 bucket page, click on the Upload button. Click on the File Explorer icon in the taskbar. Navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1. Select the file index.html by clicking on it and drag it onto the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected file. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. Click on Create Folder. Close notifications if any. In the Create Folder page, enter folder name as Project-6. Click on Create Folder. Click on the folder Project-6. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. Navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project-6. Select the files surveydataanalysis.html, the Jupyter Notebook surveydataanalysis.ipynb, and the environment setup file environmentfile.yml by clicking on them with the Shift key pressed. Drag them onto the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected files. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. Click on Create Folder button. On the Create Folder page, in the Folders section, key in the folder name Images and click on Create Folder button. Click on the folder Images. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project-6, Images. Click on the right pane and press Ctrl-A to select all the image files. Drag them on to the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected files. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. Click on the Project-6 folder link on the top left breadcrumb. Click on Create Folder button. On the Create Folder page, in the Folder section, key in the folder name Data. Click on Create Folder button. Click on the folder Data. Click on the Upload button. Press Alt-Tab to toggle to the File Explorer. In File Explorer, navigate to the folder Users, Administrator, ABD Portfolio 1, Project 6, Data. Click on the right pane. Press Ctrl-A to select all files. Drag them onto the S3 upload page. In the S3 upload page, scroll down and click on Upload button to start uploading the selected file. After seeing the Upload Succeeded message, click on Close button. On the top right of your AWS console, click on your account alias. And in the drop-down, click Sign Out. Close the browser window. Close File Explorer. Close the Remote Desktop window. Confirm OK. We have uploaded the portfolio website files to our S3 portfolio bucket. Let's access our just updated portfolio website from our personal laptop or desktop. Back in the AWS console, in the search bar, key in CloudFront and hit Enter. Click on your portfolio website distribution. In the CloudFront distribution page, Details section, click on the copy icon next to the distribution domain name. You can reference this URL in your resume, business, and social media links to further your data analysis career. CloudFront might take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to propagate the file changes in your website. Also, you may need to clear the browsing data in your browser to fetch the latest website deployment. Open a new browser tab. Paste your portfolio URL in the address bar and hit Enter. In your website, click on the Survey Data Analysis link. View your Survey Data Analysis project. Right-click and select Save Link As to download this Jupyter notebook. Save the notebook in your Downloads folder. Click on the arrow next to the downloaded file. Select Show in Folder. Note that your Survey Data Analysis notebook file is available in your Downloads folder. This notebook may be opened in a Jupyter Notebook web application after creating the right environment and subfolders. We have updated our portfolio website with our Survey Data Analysis project documentation and published it for free on CloudFront. Let's put our data analysis server to sleep for now. And as best practice, let's review our billing dashboard and budget alarm. Back in the AWS console, key in EC2 in the search bar and hit Enter. Click on the region drop-down next to your account alias. Select the region where you had created your analysis EC2. Mine was Ohio. In the EC2 dashboard, in the left pane, click on Instances. Check the Running Analysis EC2 and click on the Instance State drop-down. Then select Stop Instance. In the Stop Instance confirmation pop-up window, click on Stop. Refresh the screen after a few minutes till the instance state column shows Stopped. In the AWS console, click on your account alias on the top right. From the drop-down options, choose Billing Dashboard. Scroll down to view any costs incurred. Hopefully, we should not be seeing any charges. In the AWS console search bar, key in CloudWatch and hit enter. Close any notification windows. Click on the region drop-down next to your account alias and select North Virginia. Again, close any notification windows. In the CloudWatch console's left pane, expand the Alarms submenu. Click on Billing. Click on your Charges alarm, which watches for charges above $1. Review the graph for any charges. Scroll down to Details section and click on the History tab. Review the list of updates for any Alarm On status. You may sign out of your AWS console. Congratulations! As you can see, we have successfully marked all our milestones off our list. We analyzed and visualized the survey dataset published by Stack Overflow. After munging and wrangling the data, we explored the developer profile summarizing the key territories, professional experience, developer roles, education levels, and demographics of the survey respondents. We even compared our scrunched numbers with those put out by Stack Overflow's own analysis and came up with exact matches. Finally, we updated our portfolio with yet another successful project. To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding cloud analysts. Thanks for watching! Until our next session, this is Manu Vasudevan wishing you a very happy analysis by doing. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon below to be notified of our latest and greatest project videos.